goose. Hey, suppose he fly over here and just try to attack me or something. Roof. Dang, but dog, you see how big them boys is? You got me messed up. Suppose one of them like fly in the window and try to attack me. Alright guys, so I just got off work. We about to head downtown. They're gonna Antonio right there, Alante right there, and Marco downstairs. We about to go downtown to Nikki's and do it big. Wildlife. No, hold on. Wildlife not yet. Look at my baby sister right here.
Yes, you did. You what did you?
Okay, all right, Nisi, I don't want to hear.
Wildlife. Downtown Detroit, doing it big. Man, traffic in the D is horrible. Traffic in the D. Look at that. I can't even drive, guys, cause they're gonna snap at me.
You gotta go quick. You can't be bullshit. What is this?
Can I go? Oh! Oh my God! I made it! I made it to the other side! Victory is mine! Oh my gosh! Alright guys, so we just got out the car and we walking. You know what I'm saying? Hey, how you guys doing? Get you on the vlog? Yeah. So dog, I know exactly where we at. Don't worry, man. I know how to get back here. I know how to get back to my car. Trust me. Cause I ain't about to walk all the way. But yeah, we doing it for the vlog. It's my man's Alante, Antonio, Mark over here. He blowed.
Squad nation in this motherfucker, man. Shout out. Loyal Slid. Shout out, baby.
But yeah, we walking downtown and junk. You already know vlog world. Downtown Detroit. You know, for those of y'all that don't live here, you know what I'm saying? Hey, let me borrow your scooter. So yeah, we still walking to Nikki's right now. You know, chilling downtown Detroit. Y'all know how we do it. My man's Marco. My man's Marco behind me. I think he on the phone. What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the dealio? You know? Hey man, what y'all gotta say for the vlog?
Huh? Nothing.
I gotta say for the vlog.
If you in the Detroit area, come holler at a brother. 313.
313 blank blank blank. All right guys, that's Greektown Casino. It's a famous spot in Detroit. Did you talk to yourself? And we just got the Nikki's, guys. It's over there. See that blue and white building thing? That's Nikki's over there. That's where we going. That spot's supposed to be live, you know, whatnot. But we just doing it for the vlog. See all them floors? Hey. Pot? No. We don't do pot, we do weed though. And we have threesomes.
Okay. How the hell you ain't know I'm a fucking popo?
Man, is y'all about to walk into Nikki's or what, bro? Alright, vlog world, so it turns out I couldn't bring my camera in there for you guys. So I gotta walk back to the car.
He gotta go up in this thing with his phone and just put it on the snap, man. Follow him on the snap, follow me on the snap. Marco Bird 24, man. Follow me, man. Real Nation Squad, man. We in this motherfucker. You feel me?
Loyal sleeves, I feel you.
I'm mad as heck though, cause I really wanted to show you guys in there, cause I ain't never been there. You know how it is. I should have put it in my pants. That's kind of gay. That's kind of gay.
Hey,
And look at the latte.
They would have found
Hey guys, check out the belly. Check out the belly right there.
Hey,
That's that gut. That nigga stay on full.
hey, that's muscle. Oh.